What's going on, guys? Today I'm at one of my subscriber house in New Orleans. He asked me to come down and help him how to do a crawfish boil my way. So today I'm going to show him how to do a midnight craving badass crawfish boil, full retard edition. Yeah, another episode of Help My Crawfish Boil coming at you. I got my shoe chef right here, prepping all the stuff here. You got your celery, you got your lemon, you got your orange, you got your onion, you got your garlic, you got your butter, you got your seasoning, cayenne pepper. You gotta have your crab oil seasoning, liquid crab oil, mushroom, bay leaves. Hell yeah, down here. Drink this shit up by the gallon. Look at that. That's a big ass gallon right there. We're going full retard today. Yep, another full retard edition. That's how we do in the South. Master chef at work. Grilled barbecue pork. Ooh, that smells good. Damn, y'all, look at all this good food. Look at that. You got stir-fried noodles. You got, what's that? Pork. You got lo mein. You got fried rice. You got grilled pork. Look at that. About to go down, y'all. When the adults are having more fun than the kids. That's how we do in the South. Alright, got the ball kicking in. Now we'll bring this down to 150. And we're good to go. Got this thing down to a science. Thanks to Ball Boss. Well, I'll tell you, it's the real deal right here. Right now it's about a little bit over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bring this down to 150. Oh yeah.
Yeah, they lightened up. Come here.
No, I got about another 15 pounds. Beautiful.
Brooke, you need your key. Stop holding your key.
Oh yeah. That's how we doing this out.
Brooke, you don't want to go sit like going? Huh, Brooke? Brooke, you don't want to sit like going? Brooke, you don't want to sit like going and Taylor? Come here, come on out.
Yeah. Look at the size of that crawfish, huh? Man, look at that. Ooh-wee. Damn. Eat up, eat up.
No, no, huh?
Your job. Come on, out.
You know what my mom was telling me all the time? She's like, you know I carried you in my stomach. Yeah, that's what she hits me with. That's what she be hitting me with.
You know how long I carry you in my stomach? That's good. Hey, don't go inside, Liam. You're going to trip on there. Stay out here to dry off.
Look at the size of that one. Ooh-wee.
You want water?
How's it good?
Good. I think it's perfect.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's it.
Man, I'm telling you, it is hot and spicy. It's so damn tasty. Oh God, look at my hand. So bloody red. Oh, is that good, huh?
Oh yeah. If it got me coughing, that's how I know it's good. Oh,
Come on, Evan. Step right in.
that's how I know it's good.
Joey, you want one?
Oh, hell. We do this every week.
Oh,
Hot and fresh. Oh.
I don't know, don't worry about that. Live in the moment.
Don't mess with a man with his crawfish.
Here.
So damn big though. It's big.
Where'd you get it from?
Hi.
That's the good stuff right there.
Oh, it's good.
yeah, that's good right there.
Hey, that's not right.
Perfect amount of spiciness, but not too overwhelming though.
You'll drop off. There you go. Here. Just stay right here behind me. I'll get some crawfish.
Another successful boil. Pimp my crawfish boil. Coming to a town near you.
Get some room for the tide in here. No, you're fine. Go ahead. Stand right there.
Oh, it's good, Dan.
Good?
Step right up.
Good, good?
Show them how it's done.
It's really good.
Yeah, like I know how it's done. Chicken wing don't belong in this. These are big old crawfish, ain't they?
This is what you call select size.
This is from Genesis, right?
USDA prime
No,
crawfish.
crab man.
Crabman? Okay.
$2.
Where's that
Crab
corn-fed
man.
crawfish right here?
Huh?
It's corn-fed
Is
crawfish.
this ain't organic?
Who's the crab man?
I'm trying to get white people.
I thought that was like his name. No, they use it advertise with the crab man. Advertise social media.
Big crawfish.
Oh yeah, those are big.
Sensational.
How you do it, guys? Pimp my crawfish boil.
Sensational. Let them know, man.
That's right. Share it with your friend on social media. Tell them what they're missing.
Oh, why you hit that number and you wear your guys every other
They are good.
Có khi cái con
Wow.
tàu đi nhỉ? Không, chưa mới ăn cái đầu tôm.
They are really big. Nice.
Em nói là taste why?
Oh my God. It's like, Dan, tell her how good it is.
Good.
Sensational. Let them know.
There's no words that can describe.
I like them little ones.
We got some
Something
lobsters
here.
too. We got some lobsters up in here.
Casey, got good flavor?
Real good food.
Oh, that flavor is on point.
Con thêm mấy đằng kia này. Mỗi chân một cái.
It's that New Orleans one.
Yeah, that Mississippi River.
Had it.
No.
Y'all made good
No,
crawfish when
I'm
you lived
talking
down
about
here.
seriously.
That Medicine water, that Jefferson Parish water.
She hasn't yet. If you want her to open it with you, you can. I know. She's trying to open all her presents.
Man, so there's 2 days in a row.
Tim, you done with him? Good life.
Kids that have it.
Tim.
Huh? Mom?
You want to eat some more? You want to eat all that? That's you? Mới ra, chị với Elvin từ nãy giờ. Chị ra đây
None
chắc
but
chắn được 2
mountain
chục
of
con.
empty shells.
You might want to head over there.
I'm gonna have to change my recipe.
You need a ball boss, man.
You just need to follow him on YouTube.
Midnight Cravings. Is that what it is?
Sorry, Rob, my recipes can only be shared on YouTube.
It's a secret recipe. You gotta subscribe.
Yeah, it's a secret.
Only 20 million people know about it.
It's almost 21. No. Right, hon? Cái
How
càng
many
lớn
views
quá.
do you have on that video?